Welcome to Model Rockets 321. Just want to show you guys a couple gifts I got for the holiday. I got the Saturn V Skylab, this limited edition rocket in this huge box. This is cool. New Estes release. Came out like right before Christmas. They had pre-orders going. A couple other sites had the rocket. Now they're on eBay. People are selling them for more. And you can buy them on websites cheaper. So always keep that in mind. eBay may be a last resort. But yeah, it's a great rocket. I love the packaging, what they've been doing with this dark color scheme with the stars. Look at, they got Earth up there this time, or the moon. And then the Saturn 1B, smaller box, 1/100 scale. Very cool rockets. Like the 1B is just like a grail, you know, it's like a holy grail for a lot of people. The original ones anyway. And now you can get one relatively cheap. And there's been other companies that put them out. I know Simrock has put out a 1B some years ago, and I was so idiot, I passed on it. I should have got it. I don't have the Simrock version. I don't think they make that anymore. But these are just cool. Like Estes did it. It looks good. They did the version here with the white tanks. I forget what number, but they give you, from what I understand in here, they give you the option. You know, you can do it in the one with the black and white, alternating black and white tanks, which that's the one I would probably do. So. And here just the back graphics. These are the mission patches for it. And skill level, they got it in master. So they want you, I guess you have to have some experience under your belt to really execute this model. And here you can see the 1B on the milk stool. And in the picture they have the Skylab right next to it. Right next to it at the Kennedy Space Center. But yeah, real cool, nice releases. Estes been doing a good job with these releases. I don't know who's there that's doing it, but somebody's saying, hey, put these rockets out. These are the good ones. So it's real cool that we get a chance to get these again, because on eBay, the original ones and the ones after the original ones, they go for a lot of money. Now back to the Skylab Saturn V. I'm not sure if this has ever been released before. This Saturn V Skylab, I'm not sure if anybody's ever made one. I know people have scratch built them. I've seen them at launches before. I've seen people with them, but I think they just did their own thing. But this is in a massive box. As you can see the Skylab right there. Once you get it up, you can get it and deployed and in place. But yeah, just a cool, nice rocket. Detailed blow molded shroud. Accurate, it says accurate, highly detailed body wraps. Removable display nozzle. Injection molded fins. Yeah, so it's got this big box. Big box. And there you have mission patches. I think I showed those earlier. Yeah, this flies on E and F motors, E16-4 and F15-4. So we'll go to 1,000 feet. How high would this thing go? Oh, 200 feet on the E, and on the F, 400 feet. And has 3 parachutes, so you're going to get a lot of stuff separated. I guess the cone got its own, and the body will get 2. Because this is a big boy. It's a big rocket. So these are some, like I said, some of the gifts I got. Real cool. I'm glad to have them. Build wise, I don't know if I'm ever going to get to build these anytime soon, because I have stuff ahead of these. I have the Phoenix missile I'm restoring, which is right here. I'll show you that, where it's at and what I've done with that so far. So here's the Phoenix missile. I'm just in the stage right now where I am filling in all the damaged stuff. I don't know if you saw the earlier videos when I first got these. They were heavily just damaged. Like I pulled the lugs off because they were straws. I've been cracking out. The guy, whoever built this, did do a good job. He had like some nice fillets, but I've been cracking those out, and I'm going to redo them. Just been using this Bondo spot putty. The motor mount, I had to get this out. I thought I could soften that glue, but that's like either CA or an epoxy. I'm going to have a tough time, but I'm going to try to, I have a grinder. I'm going to just try to drill the hole out and get the tube out, and then I'll put my own motor tube in. If not, I'm going to have to try to drill this wall and just chop it away. And there's three motor mounts in there, or 3 centering rings. There's like 1 here, 2. I think they stopped marked off where the last one was. Did I cover my line? I think I covered up my line. I'll have to mark it again from the inside, but I'm going to have to try to get those rings out or get a tube in. But this is the progress on that. I have the other additional fins that go here. Still doing the sanding, the dirty work. You know, this stuff is this Bondo spot putty. You know, you get dirty messing around with this stuff. It's dust. It's all dust and just pretty crazy. So. Still working on the Phoenix. That's why I won't get to these anytime soon. Oop. So what else can I show you while I'm here? Yeah, I got some recent. Oh, here's another restore project. Gemini Titan. Gemini Titan is pretty cool. When I got the ugly ducklings, if you saw previous videos, this was in there. This is the main reason. This rocket and the Phoenix and Spaceship One, there's kind of reasons why I did get those. And there's a couple V2s in there too, some V2 parts and stuff. So this will need restoring. As you can see, this is all like peeling up. Like the decals are bad, the paint's bad, just a lot of scratches. It's missing an engine hook. This clear unit right here and those openings are where the fins would go in and click the clear plastic ones, so it can keep the look of the real one, because the real one don't have fins. They had the two nozzles coming out the bottom. The nose cone's pretty cool with the Gemini Titan nose cone. The two windows, pretty nice cone. Nothing else is in there. There's no parachute or anything. So I'll have to try to work out this restore at some point. Shouldn't be a hard restore. Just finding decals, finding that fin unit, getting this piece to stay down could be tricky. Just I guess gluing rubber bands around it or some kind of clamp. Yeah, rubber bands will do. Then getting new decals from Tango Papa or somebody like that. So yeah, this is another project in the works. I also have, oh yeah, I picked this up. I picked this up recently from Target. I had it in my shopping cart, and I would put it in there and take it out, put it in and take it out. I like camera rockets. This is the new Astro Cam. It's digital, built on camera, and it should do it. No problem. All video. Reminds me of the Oracle. Some years ago, the Oracle came out. That was another digital camera rocket. So yeah, this is like a $60 kit. It comes with launch pad, everything you see here. Launch pad, couple engines, parachute, controller, and the rocket, and the camera. They show an SD card. No, it don't come with that. Do it come with it? 116 gig even come with the SD card. I didn't know that. I did not know that. That's cool. It comes with the SD card. That is cool. Well, shout out to Estes for putting an SD card in there. Typically, you have to get that stuff yourself. So this Astro Cam, $44. It was in my shopping cart. I took it out, but then they made me an offer. They said, hey, $44, you can get it. So I did the order online. They picked it, and I went and picked it up a few weeks ago. So there's the Estes Astro Cam. But check this out. Here's one of the old Astro Cams, the beta series one, on 110 film. Now, I know I did a post about both of these rockets. I never got the pictures to work, but I know people, they work. I believe the kit works, and I mean the camera works. I just never got it to work for me. I've launched these years and years ago. But yeah, this is the cool rocket. Those fins actually, if they were clear, those are the type of fins that this thing takes, but the clear versions, to keep this rocket looking like, to keep the Titan looking original. They do the clear fin thing. But yeah, this is a camera unit on top. In the old kit, you had to build this. Then they start coming already built, like later on, you know, things change. But yeah, this is a cool rocket. That C67 delay will make the rocket turn all the way over. It'll be pointing pretty much down or on an angle when the camera snaps. As you can see, these are pointing pretty much straight down. That's an angle. Like I said, it's an angled shot. But this is kind of like almost straight down. So yeah, I like the Astro Cams a lot. I just never got this one to work growing up. I've had a few of them. Now I have this one here in the package. It's pretty cool. And let me show you one. I'll show you another rocket. You want to see another rocket? Sure. Raise your hand if you want to see another rocket. I'll show you another rocket. And this cool one, Silver Comet. I always loved the 50s style rockets, 40s, 50s, 30s, 40s, whatever years. Vintage, old school looking rocket. This is the Silver Comet by Estes. Came out back in the days in the 90s. Just a cool rocket, like a BT-60. Boat tail. Nice big cone with a, yeah, the cone actually has a canopy, like a cockpit. So that's what makes this cool. Yeah, nice silver Comet details. Yep, 1950s science fiction styling. Rockets to nearly 500 feet. Features plastic tail cone, and through the wall fins. Yep. So those fins go through the wall, which is pretty cool. We have to cut these tabs off, I'm sure. And then it'll go like through the wall and meet up with the motor mount. Gives you a nice strong base. So these are some solid, durable rockets. I've seen plenty of these fly. I actually had one years ago. I think I sold it. Sold it off years ago to get different stuff. So now I have it again in the package. So there's that guy. And I'll show, what else I got down there? I'll show one more. I'm going to show you guys one more. You want to see one more? I'll show you one more. Here we go. It's a Quest. Quest don't get a lot of chit chat, but here's the Quest kit. The DCY Space Clipper. You know how right now SpaceX is launching and landing? The DCY was the first to do it in real life. Yep, DCY Space Clipper was the first rocket, took off and landed back on the ground. And you can look that up. That's on there. There's some stuff on YouTube about it. I see I got some separation there. But yeah, this is the DCY. It's like a paper shroud rocket. But it's cool though. Plastic cone. Really sturdy. Nice. Got these little feet that it land on. 2 parachutes. 1 for the cone. But yeah, the DCY is a cool one. These are out of production. They don't make this anymore. They don't make these. It's a Quest. They don't do this anymore. But it would be nice for if they would do some reissues of their old rockets. I think that'll do well. People like the ones they used to get when they were younger. Then you get older. Then you want to get them again without spending an arm and a leg on eBay. But there you go. That's the DCY. Yeah, these are just some rockets I wanted to show you. Skylab, Saturn 1B, Gemini Titan, Silver Comet, Astrocam Digital, and Astrocam Beta 110 film. Very old film. I'm pretty sure you can probably still find it on eBay somewhere. But anyway, folks, if you enjoy the videos, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Check the links below. I want to bring more launch videos. I will be getting out to launch again. I have some stuff to fly. My SR-71 Blackbird project will be a success. That's going to be going. I got to get Saturn 1 SA5. Got to get back up. What else I got over here? Some stuff on the shelf. Oh yeah, my Dolphin. My Dolphin got to get back up. Yeah, that had separation, like the motor mount. It just blew apart. That was the strangest thing I've ever seen. But it nosedived without the cone, so it worked out. So, all right, guys, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button on your way out. Share the channel with a friend. And thanks for watching another Model Rockets 321 video. Check the links below. I have a little shop with some t-shirts and stuff if you want to support any of that. Right now I'm wearing this NASA thing, but pretty soon I'm going to be having my Model Rockets 321 t-shirts and stuff. So the link is below. Thank you guys, and we will be back with more. Peace.